In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change column types in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings, how to choose the right type for your data, and what to look out for when you update a column. This is handy when you want to standardize entries, track status with icons, or manage contacts more cleanly. Start by opening the column properties. You can do this right from the sheet. Move your cursor to the column header you want to change. The quickest way is to double-click the header. That opens the properties panel immediately. If you prefer using a menu, right-click the column header or click the three-dot column menu icon on the header and choose Edit Column Properties. Either action takes you to the same place, so use whichever feels more natural in your workflow. If you don't see the option, make sure you have the right permission level on the sheet, since editing column settings may be restricted. In the Properties panel, look for the drop-down labeled Column Type. Click that to view the available types, such as text, by number, date, drop-down list, contact list, or symbols. Select the new type that best matches how you want data to be stored and validated in that column. As soon as you choose a type like drop-down list, contact list, or symbols, you'll notice extra options appear beneath the drop-down. Take a moment to configure these, because they control how people will use the column. For a drop-down list, enter the allowed values clearly and consistently. Short, descriptive options help reduce mistakes, and you can organize them in the order you want them to appear. For a contact list, specify which contacts are valid for this column if you want to restrict entries to certain people. This is great for owner, approver, or assignee fields. For symbols, pick the icon set that best represents your process, such as status, priority, or health, so updates are easy to scan at a glance. As you configure, remember that changing the type can affect how existing data displays, so review the sheet after you apply changes to ensure everything still looks correct. When you're ready, click OK or Apply to save your changes. The column will update across the sheet, and any dependent formulas or reports will reflect the new type. If something doesn't look right, simply reopen the column properties and adjust the configuration. That's all it takes to change column types in Smartsheet with confidence and keep your data clean and consistent.